Hi children, welcome back to my class. So we have almost completed second blocks, 2 blocks we have completed. And today we are going to begin our new block, that is block 3. And here we are having a beautiful story. The story's name is Ben's Christmas Wish by Soumya Rajendran, who has written the story, who is the writer of the story. Okay, so look at this picture. This is the cover page of the story. What is in this picture? Yes, here you can see a little boy and who is making something. What is it? Yes, it is a snowman. So this story is related to the snow, something related to the snow. So let's see all the pictures from the story. Now we are going to read out all the pictures. Okay, what about this first picture? What is in this picture? Yes, here you can see some bags which are kept nearby this door. So I think somebody is going out. Am I right? Okay, then let's see the other pictures. Here, what do you see here? Yes, here a man and a boy. They are decorating this Christmas tree, right? They are making something to this tree. Okay, then what about this picture? Yes, here they are making a snowman. Okay, fine. Then let's see the other pictures. Okay, here somebody is waving his hand. Maybe this is his father. And look at his face. Is he looking sad or happy? Yes, he is looking so sad. Okay, then what is in this picture? Yes, here he is crying. Okay, then see, here his mother is giving something to him. What is that? Is it a box? No, it is not a box. It is looking like a book. Okay, then here, what is here? Yes, here he is thinking about so many toys. Okay, there are some toys here. Then the last 2 pages. Here you can see that he is doing something. What he is doing? Yes, he is writing something. He is writing a letter. Okay, then what about this last picture? Yes, here he is looking so happy. He is smiling here because he saw someone else sitting here. Who was that? Maybe this is his father. Okay, now let us read the story. Okay, so now I am going to read, and while I am reading, you have to follow me with your fingers. So let's get started. Ben was sad. Dad was going away for work, all the way from England to Australia. He wouldn't be home for Christmas. So what is going on here? Yes, Ben was sad. So who is Ben? Yes, this is Ben. From this cover picture you can see a boy. So this is Ben. So he was sad in the beginning. In the beginning of the story, Ben was sad. Why? Because his dad was going away for work. He is going to Australia. He wouldn't be home for Christmas. That is the reason. So why he was sad? He was not with him in this coming Christmas. That is why Ben was so sad. Then here, next paragraph. Ben loved decorating the Christmas tree with Dad. See, in this picture you can see that he loved decorating the Christmas tree with whom? Yes, with his dad. They would build a snowman together. They would build a snowman together. So here it is talking about their celebration. Actually, both of them are celebrating together. They will decorate a Christmas tree and they will make a snowman. Okay. So now let's see the next page, page number 14, 1-4. But not this time. Ben waved goodbye as Dad left for the airport. It's okay, Ben, said Mom. We'll still have fun. Ben made a face. What is going on here? Yes, his father is going. He is waving. So look at our Ben. He is looking so sad because his father is not with him. Then here what happened? Yes, here his mother is telling that, hey, why are you crying? It's okay, Ben. Let's have fun together. Her mother is telling him like this. And see, here she is giving something to him. Why don't you write a letter to Santa Claus? Asked to mom. So our Ben is thinking, with fun, without dad, how can I enjoy this Christmas without my dad? He is thinking like this. But at that time, his mother is giving a notebook to him. See, this is that book. And she is telling, you can write a letter to Santa Claus. You can write a letter to him. So here he is thinking, in which thing I want to ask. What did he want for Christmas? A car? A train set? A puppy? Chocolate cake? Or new shoes? Which one I want to ask? So here he is thinking which thing he can ask for Santa Claus. Okay, then let's see the last two pages. Page number 16. He wanted all of these, but most of all, he wanted dad to be home. So actually what he wanted, yes, he wanted all these things, but moreover, most of all those toys, he wanted his father to be at home. That is his wish. He wants to his father come back. Okay, then let's see what will happen here. Ben wrote his letter to Santa. He put it under his pillow. Then he shut his eyes and wished hard. What happened here? Yes, he is writing something to the Santa Claus. What it may be? Yes, it may be he wants his father to come back. So he shut means close. He closed his eyes and wished hard. What do you mean by wish? Wishing means, here is the meaning, to hope for something that is not easy to get. Okay, we can wish anything, but it is not at all easy. Okay, so here he is wishing for his father. He wants to come back. Okay, the next morning when Ben was eating breakfast, he heard a car coming in. Who could it be? It was Dad. Ben couldn't believe it. It was snowing too much, said Dad. We couldn't fly in this weather. Yippee, said Ben. He said, hey, hooray, my father come back. His wish had come true. And that Christmas, Ben and Dad built the biggest snowman ever. So at last, after he's writing the letter, who will come here? Yes, his father comes. His father come back. So both of them celebrating this Christmas together. Okay, so children, here in this glossary part, there are some new words you can see. Which are they? Christmas. Christmas means it is a festival like Onam, Bakrid. We are having so many festivals here, right? So Christmas is one of the festival. Believe, decorate, shut, together and wish. These are the words. So you have to underline these new words from the story. Okay, so now let me ask something about the story. Who are the characters of the story? Who is the main character? Yes, main character is our Ben, that little boy. And his father and mother, they are also the characters, you know. But they are the supporting characters. They supports the character of Ben. Okay, so Ben is the main character of the story. Then how is the weather? What is the weather in the story? Yes, it is snowing. So in your previous class, you have learned so many WH question words. Did you remember it? WH question word. Okay, now ma'am will write all the WH question words here. One is what? Yes, you remember what? Then is why, where, when, and who. So these are the 5 WH question word that you have learned in your previous class. In your first standard you have learned it. Why do we use these WH question word? Did you remember it? Yes, when we are using this? Yes, we are using this WH question words for asking questions. Right? We want to get some information from others. We want to get some ideas from others. That is why we can ask some questions by using this WH question word. So here see, in all these words are beginning with WH. Here you can see that WH. These are the beginning letters. That is why we can call these all words are WH question word. So when do we use what? It is using to know about the actions or things. For example, see, here I am having a duster. So I can ask like, what is this? Okay. And about the actions, if somebody is doing any actions, if someone is jumping or playing, so I can ask them like, what are you doing? About the action. I want to get what they are doing. So I can ask like, what are you doing? Or for getting your name, I can ask like, what is your name? So for actions or things, if I want to ask anything about the actions or a thing, I can use this question word what. What about this why? To know about the reason. Okay, fine, very good. Means if you're crying, so I want to know why you're crying. So I can ask like, hey my dear little one, why are you crying? What happened? I can ask by using this question word why to know about the reason and where. Yes, of course, it's about the place. Where is your home? Where are you going? To know about the place, I can ask this question word where and when. We used to know about the time. When do we start our class? Or when is your class? I can ask by using this question word when. And who we are using to know about the person. For example, who is your mother? Who is your father? Or who are you? I can ask question by using this who to know about you. Okay, so children, these are the WH question word. So in your workbook, please take out your workbook, page number 21, S1. There you can see asking questions titled. The question is, write 3 questions for each picture. One is done for you. So here, what you have to do? Here you have to frame the question. You have to make the question. So one example is given. Look at the first picture. Ben does his homework after school. So below that, you can see that 3 question words. Just circle it. Who, what and when. By using that question word, they made some questions. Who does homework after school? What does Ben do after school? And when does Ben do his homework? These are the questions. So the same how you have to make the question by using the same question word who, what and when. See the second one. I go to school at 8 o'clock. A, who and B, where and C, when. These are the 3 question words. So let's make a question with who. Who means, yes, we are asking to know about the person. So here we can ask a question like who goes to school at 8 o'clock. Okay, who goes to school at 8 o'clock. What about B? Yes, to know about the place. So which place he is going? Yes, it is in the school. So where do you go at 8 o'clock? And C, when do you go to school? Means it is asking about the time. To know about the time, we can use the question word when. When do you go to school? Yes, I go to school at 8 o'clock. That is the answer. Okay, then 3. My mother buys vegetables every Tuesday. This is the sentence. So with the help of this sentence, you have to make 3 questions. Let's see the first one. Who? Yes. Who buys vegetables every Tuesday? Who buys? Yes, the answer is my mother. Then B. What? Yes. What does your mother buy every Tuesday? What are the things? Yes, the vegetables, right? That is the thing that she buys every Tuesday. And see, when? Yes, when does your mother buy vegetables? Okay, so this how you have to make the question. You have to frame the question. And let's see your practice question from page number 18. Answer the question. So there are 4 questions given. Let's see the first one. What festival does Ben like most? Which festival? Yes, of course it is Christmas. So Ben like most Christmas. Why was Ben sad? Why he was sad? Because his father was not with him in the Christmas. Then see, what does Ben's mother tell him? Yes, his mother tell him to do something. What was it? Yes, to write a letter to Santa. Then D, what happens in the end? What happens in the end of the story? Yes, sure, his father come back. Okay, so children, this is how you have to write all these answers in your notebook. Don't be so hurried to write all these answers. Okay, you have to take your own time to complete your notebook. So this is all for today. So what you have to do, not only writing, you have to read the story at least 2 or 3 times. Okay, then learn about the spelling, this new words. This all word spelling you have to learn. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.